Alright, moving on to the next video. In the previous video, I've guided you on how can you create text entity manually. So in this video, I will show you another way on how can you prepare for the text entity. This is a special function that is developed by AutoCount. It's also a convenient way for you to request text information from your customer. From my master data customer, I have a customer called ABC Sendram Berhad. In order to create text entity for this company, by using the getTheme function, I need to click on Edit, then click on the text entity drop box and click on Add button. When you click on Search Company, another window will pop up. You can search by company name, BRN, TIN or company text information link. If you are able to search the company, it means the company has given the authorization to share their company text information when they are filling up the company text information from the Generate Request link, so that AutoCount Cloud Accounting users could retrieve the information. Just click Retrieve Company Text Information, then the customer's text entity will be auto-filled. All you need to do is just click Save and you are done. However, if you are not able to search for the customer's text entity, you can use Request Company Text Information function to generate a link and send it to your customer to fill in. For example, I have a customer that called Yao Yao Hardware, which is unable to search its company text information. Then what I can do is click Request Company Text Information and click on Generate Request Link. Our system will automatically generate a link for you. After that, you just click Copy Request Link and send it to your customer. You can send it through email, WhatsApp or WeChat, whichever way you want. The customer will be redirected to a form to fill in the information. Imagine now I'm the customer. I will fill in all the information required here. For example, email, name, classification, TIN, BRN, SSD number, MSSC code, address, and more. Before submitting the information, customer has the option to tick or untick the box to share their company text information to allow other AutoCount users to search their company in AutoCount Cloud Accounting. If they want to share the company information to any other AutoCount Cloud Accounting users, they can tick it. If everything is ready and done, customer can click on Submit and they will be prompted a message to enter the verified code. Customer will need to key in the verified code that's sent to the provided email in order to submit the company text entity information. After done, click on Submit. Then the customer and you will both receive an email saying that your customer Yao Yao Hardware has already filled the text information for you. Next, you go back to your Cloud Accounting, edit the customer and click on Text Entity. It will auto-prompt that customer has filled the information. Just click Yes if you want to auto-update the customer text information. After that, the customer's text entity will be auto-filled. Click Save and all done. That's all on how to retrieve customer information by using getTheme function.